last session we were doing Google Search Console and Google Analytics, right? Uh, what are these tools and why we are using these tools? What is Google Search Console? Krishna, what is Google Search Console?
Ma'am, to analyze website traffic
Okay, and
and
yes, tell me.
make changes and uh, track the activity,
Hmm.
the
Okay.
user
Hmm.
and interests.
Okay, good. And Norman, why we are using Google Analytics?
Google Analytics, it helps us to understand the user and improve the performance of the website.
Correct. So, uh, Google Search Console is also known as webmaster tool. Okay, that helps website owners, SEO developers to understand how their website is performing in Google search. Okay, it does not track traffic like Google Analytics. Google Analytics we use for analyzing traffic. Okay, Google Search Console do not track the traffic, but it provides data related to websites visibility in Google search, indexing and crawling status, search performance like clicks, impressions, rankings, and technical SEO issues. Okay, and security problems also. We can identify manual penalties. These things we can monitor, we can identify through Google Search Console. Is it clear? Why we are using Google Search Console? The function of Google Search Console is clear? Okay, one second. Uh, Let us understand this in detail. Okay. So these are the different options. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So on the left hand side, you can see these are the different options available in Google Search Console. These are the features of Google Search Console that helps us monitor our website, right? So let's understand what are these options. Second, first of all, it is performance report. Okay, so performance report, it shows how your website is performing in Google search. Okay, there are different metrics on the basis of which it shows the performance. um, First is total clicks. Okay, so how many times users clicked on your website in Google search, this we can check from here. Okay, now what is impression? Krishna, what is impression?
I forgot that, ma'am.
Sorry.
I'm not able to recall.
Okay, Norman, what is impression?
It's, I think, the number of times the user clicked on the website or viewed it. I think that's it.
Viewed it means the result appeared in front of them when they were scrolling for different results. Okay, but they have not actually clicked on this website. Okay,
Oh, okay.
that is known as impression, right? Then so it also shows how many times your pages showed up in the search results, right? Then next is click through rate. What is click through rate? Who will tell me what is click through rate? Yes, Krishna. What is click through rate?
Ma'am, it's a division of total impression and the clicks.
Total impressions and the clicks. मतलब it will show clicks divided by impressions. ठीक है? Sorry, clicks divided by impressions. ठीक है? Mean how many clicks you have got and out of how many impressions. Like if you have got 100 impressions on your website, out of 100, how many people have actually clicked on your website? That is your click through rate divided by 100. ठीक है? That is click through rate. Now next is average position. So average position is average ranking of your pages for any query. ठीक है? On a particular query where your website or where your page is ranking, that is your average position. ठीक है? Clear? These metrics are clear? Any doubt in this matrix? Okay. Next are filters. ठीक है? We have filters like queries. We have, these are the filters, right? So what are these filters? uh, Queries, pages and countries. So queries shows which keywords you are ranking for. Okay, the queries will show on which query or on which search sorry, your website was appearing in search results, right? Then we have pages. So pages shows performance of individual pages on your website, or we can say individual URLs on your website, how they are ranking, how they are performing in Google search. That is shown here. Okay. Then after this we have countries filter. Countries, device, search type, or a date range. These are the different filters available. Okay. So for website, for images, for videos on your website, you can uh, use this filter. Okay. These are the different filters available. Then this URL inspection tool, we have URL inspection. Why we use this URL inspection? What is the use of this URL inspection tool? Normal. What is the use of this URL inspection tool?
I don't know actually.
Krishna, Krishna,
25 minutes.
we have discussed this in the last session also, right? You are not practicing these things, whatever we are doing in the classes, both of you. And what about off-page SEO practical? Is it completed?
Correct, I'm completed.
Okay. So you have to submit the all the links on the portal. Okay. Wherever you have done the off-page SEO, all the links you have to update. Okay. Paste all the links in the WordPad and you have to submit that as an assignment on the portal. Okay. Both of you. So URL inspection tool is it lets you check the status of a specific URL on your website, right? We can check if the URL is indexed by Google or not. Okay, so what is indexing? What is indexing? These terms we have already discussed earlier. What is indexing? Remember or not? Indexing, crawling. What are these things? Who will tell me. Yes.
Indexing is like to the content will reach to the user
No,
clearly.
no. Indexing means the search engine bots will store the data of your website on their server, and after this ranking will happen. Okay, so this storage of your data on their server, this is known as indexing. ठीक है. So after inspecting your URLs, inspection means the analysis of your page or your blog. ठीक है, they will analyze your blog, and then they will store the content of your website on their server. Whenever someone searches uh, for something related to your page or your content, then they will rank your content over there on the search results. ठीक है, this is how it process. Clear? After this, uh, in the URL inspection, we can view the last scroll data also, mobile usability of that page, and if there is any error on that page, it will show that also, right? It also shows whether your particular page is eligible for rich results or not. ठीक है, what are rich results? Any idea about rich results? What are rich results? This we have discussed in on-page SEO as well. What are rich results? Rich results means results with star rating, reviews, snippets, these with images. Okay, this type of results are known as rich results. ठीक है, so we can check through Google Search Console if any of our page is eligible for rich results or not. ठीक है, then we have request indexing option. So whenever we inspect any tool in Google Search Console, there is an option to request indexing. ठीक है, so after testing if the website if the page is live or not, you can click on request indexing button. ठीक है, have you connected have you connected Google Search Console with your blogger, both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Norman?
No, I haven't done it yet.
You have to do it practically, because you will not get the things. The classes
Hmm.
will over and you will not get anything if you will not do it practically.
Sure, I'll do it hopefully this week.
Okay.
All the assignments and everything.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So this was the URL inspection tool. How will we do that? We'll copy the URL from our website, whichever page we want to inspect. Copy the URL, paste it here, and uh, like for example, mm, sorry, uh, I'm writing it randomly. Okay. Uh, ठीक है, so you will paste your URL here and click enter. It will inspect. See, this URL is not the part of this website. That's why it is showing this is not property of your website. Okay. If you will paste right URL here, it will show if the page is live or not. Sometimes it will show that the page is not live yet, because when you publish the page recently, what happens? it sometimes it shows the page do not exist. Okay, in that case what you have to do, you have to click on, there is a live test option button, so you have to click on live test. When you will click on live test, it will show that the page exists, and then you can click on request indexing button. Okay, this is how the URL inspection tool works, right? After this we have indexing. Okay, indexing of pages, sitemaps and removals. Okay, so what is indexing? It will track how well your content is being indexed by Google. So first we have page reports. What is this page reports? The page report shows which pages are indexed or excluded and why. Okay, sometimes some of our pages do not get indexed. So, okay, so what is the reason why they are not getting indexed? This we can identify, we can check in the pages report. Okay, what are the reasons for exclusion? Why the particular page is not getting indexed? There may be different reasons like crawling issue, discovered, blocked, or no index tag. Okay, so crawling may currently not indexed करके you will get the um, message. Okay, and uh, other than this you will get discovered not indexed, means the page is available, the search engine bots have discovered this page but it is not indexed yet. Okay, or it is blocked by robots.txt, this message you will get, or no index tag you will get. Okay, so these are the different options available, sorry, reasons available for not excluded pages. Okay, then next we have sitemaps. What are these sitemaps? You can submit your XML sitemaps in see here. This is the sitemaps option. What are the sitemaps? What are sitemaps? Start making notes, huh? Who will tell me what are sitemaps?
It's basically like a step to step kind of thing. For example, you have your cart, order summary, then the shipping method, then the
Hmm.
payment method, and then you ship, and then the payment is successful because it's a map and a go through throughout the
Hmm.
page. For
No,
example, you add something in the cart, you
no,
in
no, 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 no,
not this one. Okay.
no, no.
Ma'am, it's
Sitemaps.
kind of listing, ma'am. Like in book, we have index, like it will.
Correct,
You
correct.
said, for example, in the last book.
Correct. Sitemap is just like the index page of your book. Okay. In the sitemaps, we have all the URLs of the uploads on our website. Whatever we have uploaded on our website, all the URLs of that upload is available in the sitemap. And how we can generate sitemaps, Krishna?
By adding files, like images,
Hmm. No, no. Can you please come again?
by adding any files listing like that.
No, no, no.
It
What?
consists of 10 activities like what to do.
Uh, no, no, no. I'll show you how to
Okay.
generate sitemap. One second. I'm opening my website. Just give me a second. Uh, is my screen visible? Is the website screen visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So on my website, I have already downloaded the plugin of Yoast SEO. Okay, in the Yoast SEO, go to General. Sorry, I think in the integration you will get. Huh. In the settings, you have all these site features. Okay, so in this site features, you will get a feature called sitemap. This is XML sitemap. Okay, so you have to enable this feature, and from here, if you will click on view the XML sitemap, sorry, this is the sitemap of the website. Okay, this is the URL of all the post sitemaps. If you will click on this, you will get URLs of all the posts available on this website. Okay, so this is the XML sitemap. Okay, and this you have to generate from Yoast SEO or any SEO plugin. Okay, from any SEO plugin you can generate XML sitemap, and after that what you have to do, from the search bar you have to copy the URL of your sitemap and submit it into the Google Search Console. Okay, so that search engine bots can check all the pages available on your website, all the URLs available on your website. Okay, clear how to generate the sitemap? Clear है? Okay,
Yes.
okay. After this, mm, XML sitemap is done. Now, what sitemaps do? Sitemaps helps Google discover your pages faster, because if you will not submit the sitemaps, what will happen? The bots have to search for the pages. Okay, what all pages are available on your website, or what all URLs are available on your website. This the bots have to search. Okay, but if you will upload the sitemap, what will happen? They have details of all the URLs available on your website, so they can directly check that page and give ranking accordingly. Okay, so this is the sitemap, and it shows whether the sitemap was processed or having any error. If there is any error in your sitemap, that is also shown in the report. Okay, so Google Search Console helps in that too. After this, we have removals tool. How this removals tool work? This is the removal tool. How does it work? For removing pages from our website? Hmm? How does it work? No. Whenever we are completing any class, you have to uh, go through the recording once again. What are the topics we have discussed? All of the topics, all of the things you have to practice once. Okay, so that will not forget the things or whatever terms we are discussing, the tools we are discussing. Okay, you have to go through it once again, otherwise there is no use of taking this class. You are attending the class, still nothing is clear, no terms are clear, So that there is no use of joining the sessions, joining the classes regularly. It is waste of your time and my time as well. Don't do this. Okay. Removals tools. In the removals tools, we have these options: temporary removal, outdated content, safe search filtering. What is this? Temporary removals. If we want to remove any URL temporarily from Google search, okay, in case if we are updating any URL and any content in that particular URL, so we can temporarily remove that URL from Google search. Okay, that is from this temporary removal. Okay, or useful for outdated and confidential content. Okay, outdated content means if we have uploaded any website, sorry, any content on our website, and now uh, um many modifications are there in the content. So in that case, what we can do, we can remove the outdated content from the search results and we can publish the new one. Okay. Next is safe search filtering. What is safe search filtering? What is safe search? No idea about safe search. Okay. Safe search is the filter option in Google Search Console that allows your website to check whether any of the page from your website is being filtered out from the Google search results or not. Okay, when users enable safe search. Okay, in that case,
Yeah. Does it include explicit content?
explicit content. Okay,
I see.
so um, means we can check if some when someone is enabling this safe search filter, if your content is expliciting out or means um, it is flagged by Google, so you can check it. Okay, and if there is any issue, means if mistakenly your page was classified under safe search, so you can request Google for rechecking. Okay, that my website is mistakenly flagged, and because if your website is flagged, you will lose the visibility on your page or on your website. Okay, so and it will also reduce the traffic on your website. So we have to fix the incorrect classification. Okay, to get the traffic back, right? So this is the removals option. After this, we have um, experience. Okay, so we have core web vitals here. What are core web vitals? Heard about it? Okay, we'll understand this in detail. It is actually a score given to your website by the search engine. Okay, so in the experience sections, we have page experience, core web vitals, and mobile usability. These three things. Okay, so page experience will check um, core web vital. Okay, and core in the core web vital section, it will measure the page loading speed and interactivity of your website. Okay, and it will also check the mobile usability, means how mobile friendly your website is, and if there is any issue related to mobile friendliness, that also it will check. Okay, now what are core web vitals, that we will understand in detail. So for that, I'll show you a tool, um, Page Speed Insight tool. Just one second, it is loading. So page speed and size. Hmm. See, this is the this is a tool called page speed insight. Okay, so here you have to type the URL of your website and it will tell you all the analysis. Like, let's use this URL. It will diagnose all the performance issues on your website on the mobile version and on the desktop version too. Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Hmm. So, like this, it will give you the score, performance score, accessibility score, best practices on your website, and SEO score. Right? So, what are the issues? Now, these are the metrics, right? So, what is the blocking time? What is this FTP, LCP, CLS? These are the core web vitals. Okay, so let's understand these things. What are these metrics and how we can improve this? Okay, so the core web vitals measures page loading speed and interactivity. So if we basically it is a score given to our website by the search engine. Okay, so what are the things we can do to improve the see, this is related to user experience on our website. So what are the things we can do on our website to enhance the user experience? Who will tell me what are the things we can do for enhancing user experience on our website?
Like search engine optimization.
Hmm.
Like
And,
yes, like search on page, focusing on page SEOs. Like making sure the categories are simple for the customer to understand,
hmm,
and also make sure that the pictures that are uploaded are both like visible in
hmm,
the desktop version and the mobile version,
hmm, hmm,
and also making sure that if the customer faces any difficulties, that there is a contact us page available so that we can assist the customer.
hmm.
Yeah, and yeah, I think that's it.
Okay. And Krishna, can you add something here?
Well, image loading will be fit to phone itself, mobile itself,
Hmm.
mobile as well.
Hmm.
So user will see that clearly in mobile also.
Okay.
So and the optimization that will come.
No, no, your voice is not clear. Can you please come again?
Optimization.
Optimization. And other than this, what else we can do?
We can do that images that will seen in mobile also.
Hmm. Okay. See, um, we have to enhance the user experience, right? So the first thing user will check is the speed of your website. If they will click on your URL and it is taking very means much time to load, what will happen? They will bounce back. Sorry, they will leave your website and uh, visit another website for the same search query. Okay, so what Google will see that users are searching for a query, they are clicking on your result but they are not no spending time on your website, so it will de rank your website. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to focus on speed of our website first, right? So these core web vitals, what they do, this is actually a set of metrics that measures the speed of our website, speed, interactivity, or visual stability of our website. Okay? So they are actually factors, we can say subset of factors that are part of Google's page experience. ठीक है, पेज एक्सपीरियंस मीन्स रैंकिंग सिग्नल, बेसिकली Google's way of sizing up your pages overall user experience, right? So improving them can help your website rank higher in search results and provide a better user experience, right? So there are three core web vitals. What are they? LCP, as you can see, LCP means largest contentful print. Okay. Second is INP, interaction to next print. And third is CLS, cumulative layout shift. Okay. So what are these factors? LCP is basically, it measures how long it takes for the largest content element on your web page to load. Okay, if there is something, if there is any banner image or any content, any element on your website or on your web page which which is taking much time to load, so LCP will find out that element, and what means what should be the time of LCP? It should be less than 2.5 seconds. In order to provide good user experience, the LCP should be less than 2.5 seconds. See, if you can see in this image, it is 16.6 seconds, which is which is not good, right? So it should be less than 2.5 seconds to enhance the user experience. Next is INP. What is INP? INP is interaction to next page. Okay? So this will measure how quickly your website responds to user interactions. Like if someone is coming to your website and they are clicking any button, they are clicking any link. So in means how quickly your website is responding to the user section. That is known as INP. Okay? So your INP should be 200 milliseconds or less for fast and responsive experience. Okay? 200 milliseconds. And after this, next is CLS, cumulative layout shift. What is this? In many of websites, you must have seen when we load the page, it shifts, means the content or the pages, they are not stable, right? So this instability, it is known as cumulative layout shift, right? So this happens all the websites, but in some website it is visible. Okay. So this CLS, it will measure how much your pages layout shift unexpectedly when it loads. Okay. So your CLS should be less than 0.1 second, sorry, zero point 0.1 for a good user experience. Okay, if you want to provide good user experience to your users, it should be this 0.1. Okay, all the three terms are clear. Any doubt on in any of the terms?
No.
Okay, so tell me, what is INP?
Mm, INP.
Hmm.
Uh, INP is interaction to next page.
Hmm.
Yeah, it's basically the time it takes for us to transfer from one page to another.
Correct, correct. And Krishna, what is LCP?
And how fast it will look,
Hmm.
like the speed of the content.
Largest element, how much time the largest element is taking to load. Okay. So these are the different options. Sorry, these are the different factors, or we can say metrics of core web vitals, right? And if we are talking about the that user experience, so if we want to enhance the user experience other than the mobile usability, what we have to check is if all the buttons are functioning properly, if all the links are functioning properly, the alt text or the alt text and images, if we are using, they are updated correctly, the images or videos we have uploaded on our website, it is not blur, it is very clear to understand. Okay, these things we have to check for enhancing user experience, right? After this, in the Google Search Console, mm, okay, okay. So after this, we have um, next option, that is enhancement. What is enhancement? In this we have breadcrumbs, site link search, and product snippet or review snippet, right? You can see it here. Hmm, sorry, one second. Is the Google Search Console screen visible? Okay. So here, okay, in the enhancement section, what are the breadcrumbs? Any idea about breadcrumbs? No? Okay. Breadcrumbs are basically the path any user has followed on particular website. That is a breadcrumb, right? And we can, you know, um, like if we want to switch to any page in between the path we have followed, and we want to switch in any page in between, we can directly click on that particular page. For example, if I am going to um, Flipkart, okay, and here I will search for electronics GSC store, okay, and here phone lens, and this one, okay. So now, if you can see here, this is the path I have followed: home, the mobile and accessories, this, this, then this, and then finally this product. Okay. So if I want to switch in on any page in between, I can directly click on that particular page. Okay. And this is known as breadcrumb. Okay. So sorry, this is known as breadcrumb. This path the user has followed, right? So if you are using, if your website is bulky or you have e-commerce website, so in that case, or if you are having forums, so in that case what you can do, you can use this breadcrumbs on your website, so that it will enhance the user experience. Okay, navigation will be good for your means for your users, right? And they can directly switch from switch to any pages in between. ठीक है? So this is the breadcrumb option. Breadcrumb is clear, right?
Yes.
After this, we have site link search box. So site link search box, it will help with the internal search functionality. Okay, like on this Flipkart, we are searching now. Uh, this one. This is known as site site link search box. Okay. After this, next is product schema. It will check structured data for e-commerce website. Schema, markup, or structured data. Remember, we have already discussed it in on-page SEO. Okay. Then after this, we have review snippet. What is review snippet? It will validate which results like star ratings, reviews, this thing. Okay. So these are the enhancement section in Google Search Console. We also have review snippet. Okay, so review snippet will validate. Review snippet. Then we have security and manual action. Okay, so security and manual action. This one. Okay, so if there is any alert for penalties like spammy backlinks if you are using, or thin content, uh, on the basis of this, the Google will penalize your website. Okay, so if there is any alert for penalties on your website, the that you can check from here on Google Search Console. Okay, and security issues also, like it will detect malware on your website if someone has hacked the content of your website. That will also be updated here, and if someone is phishing on your website, that also it can search, it can identify. Okay, then next we have is links. This links. Okay, so it will show you the top linking pages. Okay, which pages have the most backlinks. Okay, this you can check. Then top linking sites, it will display websites linking to your website. Okay, so how many websites are linked with your website, that we can check from here. After this, top top anchor text. What is anchor text? What is anchor text? Krishna? Krishna, what is anchor text? Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. Norman, can you tell me what is anchor text?
Anchor text. It's basically a text that's like a little visible and it's clickable, like a HTML.
Huh. Means when we hyperlink any text, that is known as anchor text, right?
Yes.
After this, um, so top anchor text, it will show most now common anchor text on our website, that we can check in this. And after this, we have internal links. So it identifies internal linking structure on your website. Okay, so you can basically analyze your backlinks from this section. Okay, फिर उसके बाद है settings and legacy tools. So users permission or crawling status, or if you want to target internationally, these things you can check in the settings and legacy tools. Okay. So all these are the features of Google Search Console. Okay. All the features are clear. Any doubt in any of these feature or something? All the features are clear.
Yes.
Okay. Now after this we have Google Analytics. So that also will understand. One second. So Google Analytics. Hmm, Simon. Yeah. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Google Analytics. Now what are the things available in Google Analytics? What are the features of Google Analytics? First is this dashboard. So home dashboard we can see. So it will provide an overview of traffic or engagement and conversions on your website. Okay. So it will display real-time visitors, top traffic sources, and um, most viewed pages on your website. This it will show. Okay. Next is the report section. So uh, see, this is the home dashboard you are watching here. Okay. After this, next is report section. Here you will get the report snapshot. So this report snapshot, um, sorry, in the report section we have real time report. Okay, means it will show live users activity or display the traffic sources, device types, and location. Okay, from where they are visiting your website. That also we can check in the report section. Okay, after this we have life cycle reports. Okay, so life cycle reports may we have different reports available like acquisition reports, engagement reports, monetization reports. Monetization report is basically for e-commerce website. Okay, retention reports. So these reports we can check in life cycle reports. Okay, so what is acquisition report? Acquisition reports tracks traffic sources. Okay, different sources of traffic like if it is coming organically, if they are visiting directly, or if they are referred by any platform. So that also we can check here. If we are running ad campaign, so paid traffic sources also it will show. And social or email, if someone is coming from social media platform or email marketing, so that also we can get here in traffic sources. Okay. Then after that we have this acquisition report also identifies where users come from. Okay, means sources also we can see and the location also we can see, right? Then after this we have engagement report. In the engagement report it will check, it will measure page views, engagement time, and interaction. Okay. Then after this it shows top pages and events. Okay, what are events in the Google Analytics? What are events? You can see this on home page as well. These are the event count, key events. So what are these events? Who will tell me? Krishna?
Um, Even means that we have clicking the any words or website that will count like 1, 2, 3. How many times that I click it?
Mhm, mhm, mhm. No. Norman, what are events? Norman?
Oh yeah. So event is basically allows you to measure like the interaction with the website, the user interaction with the website.
Yes, means whatever action someone is taking on your website. Okay, that is known as event. Okay, everything will be counted as an event on your website. Okay, whatever action they will take, right? So we'll understand this Google Analytics in the next session. Okay, any doubt, anything that you want to ask related to Google Search Console or analytics or any topic that we have discussed earlier?
No.
No? Okay. ठीक है. So in the next
Uh,
session, we'll continue this Google Analytics. ठीक है? And try to go through the recordings once. Okay?
yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.